So the other one is syntax. So a syntax is a part of a linguistic that studies the what structure and formation of sentences. So let's take a look at the structure. And this one comes like this, so it becomes what now phrase. So the now phrase have what two. One is an article. So it has an article, then it has what another one, which is a noun. So if you say a noun, let's say use the word the for the D, definite article. This is a noun, the dog or a cat. Then it has what a verb. The verb will come like this. A verb, article, noun. So the verb is the cat. Let's say sat. Sat is a verb. So this one will have prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase. So then the prepositional phrase has what one, which is a preposition. Then it has another sat, which is the position. Let's say on. So we are making a sentence. I hope you're understanding what I'm doing. So on this line, so then this one will have a noun phrase. To complete the sentence. So the noun phrase will be what? Divided into two. Sat on. So this one will have article again. So preposition and article, which is the cat sat on the. So it's remaining one. So this one will have what? Now. So the now will be what? For example, let's see the sentences in order. The cat sat on the mat. Yeah. So this is a structure of what? A syntax. So let's take a look at the type of syntax. types of syntax. So we have 4 basic types of syntax. So one is a simple, simple. 2, compound. 3, and 3 is simple, compound, complex. In number 4 is what? The combination of either of, okay, this and this, that's compound, complex. Compound, complex syntax. So these are the 4 types of syntaxes we have. So let's take a look at the number 1, simple. So the simple syntax is nothing but a simple independent what? Class. So let's take a look at some example. So like example. So the independent class is a class that stands what? On its own, and also what? A complete what? Sentence, either short or what? Long. So let's say Tom went home. Tom went home. So let's take a look at the second one. Compound syntax. Number 2. That connect to independent classes, right? 2 independent classes. Like and like and and but. So let's take a look at example. So as the word says, a compound syntax is a sentence that connects two independent classes, typically with what? Coordinating conjunction, like and but. Okay, and but. So she watched television, but he cooked supper. So now, each part has its own what? Subjects on the verb, right? Yeah, its own subjects and verb. So this is a compound syntax because each part had its own what? Subject and verb. So let's take a look at the other one, complex syntax. Number 3. So a complex syntax has one independent clause and one or two dependent clauses. So let's take a look at example. When it rains, the roads are slippery. So this is what and what? This is a dependent clause because it doesn't stand on its own. It can't stand on its own. So the roads are slippery is a complete what? Sentence. So this is independent. It can stand on its own. It can stand on its own on a sentence to make what? A complete statement or sentence. But this one cannot stand on its own. You cannot say when it rain. It rain what? So it's a half statement. So this one is a complete statement. So it's what? Independent. It doesn't depend on any other statements to become what? A correct sentence. But this one depends on other statements or other comments to what? Complete it what? Sayings. So another example. But Can't understand. He is proficient in English. This one is what? A complete what? Sentence. So it's a dependent what? It's an independent clause because it does not depend on any other one to be a correct what? Sentence. He is proficient in English. It's a correct English, but cannot understand French. So if you say can't understand French, it's a dependent word class because it does not make what? A complete sentence. But if you say I cannot understand French, that is what? A correct what? Statement. So let's take a look at the last one, number 4. Number 4. So the number 4 is the compound complex. Compound what? Compound complex syntax. It also has a complex sentence. Joined again with a simple sentence. Join again with simple sentence. Then followed by with a conjunction. Yes, correct. So it often has a complex sentence, then joined together with a simple sentence with a what? Conjunction. So let's take a look at some example. So while Eddie reads novels, James reads comics, but Sarah reads the magazine. So you can see the comment is very complex and what? Compounded. So thank you for watching.